What's going on, guys? It's a rare car here, mate. Ford Transit automatic. Imagine, look at this. It's kind of sick. So we'll come out. Let's see, it's me. Yeah, come out because I think the glow plugs must have shorted somewhere, so I've got it disconnected here at the moment, just in case. But it's shorted and melted the jump start terminal and also this cable here. I've done some melting down here, but from what I can see, none of the actual wires are broken. So fingers crossed I'll be able to get it started. But I'm waiting for the customer to come and give me that immobilizer code. I'm hoping that's what it is, why it's not starting. Obviously, the most could have happened. Go there. Got an alarm there. Immobilizer there. So I don't know what the situation is with it, but I'm getting no. You see, my battery's dead again, isn't it? But anyway, let me just pause that. No cranking though, so